Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I am going to show you how to keep your Android Pie phone unlocked when near a trusted Bluetooth device. This can be handy if you want your phone to remain unlocked at home or in your car. The first step is to pair your phone with a trusted Bluetooth device such as your car Bluetooth or your Bluetooth speaker at home. So go to Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Tap on Pair New Device. Now power on your Bluetooth device and ensure it's on pairing mode. It will take a few seconds for your phone to discover your Bluetooth speaker. Once discovered, tap on it to start pairing, then tap on Pair. Now the second step is to use your Bluetooth speaker as a trusted device, so go back to Settings, scroll up and tap on Security and Location, scroll up and tap on Smart Lock, then unlock your phone. Now tap on Trusted Devices, then tap on Add Trusted Device. Choose your Bluetooth speaker from the list, then tap on Yes, Add. Now let's test this. So I will turn off my screen and see if I will need to unlock my phone or not. As you can see, I didn't need to unlock my phone because it was paired with my Bluetooth speaker. A simple way to keep your phone unlocked when near a trusted Bluetooth device. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.